So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can receive NFTs in Trust Wallet. So guys, if you want to receive NFTs and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So once you're in this home page right here, you'll see many options over here with send, receive, swap, buy and sell, and right under there are options like crypto and NFTs. As you can see, this is the cryptos version right here. All you need to do is tap on NFTs now. So it says right here that I have not bought any NFTs, but if you have bought them, then you can find them right here. So in order to receive NFTs, just tap on receive and select the token that you want. And once you do so, you will be given this QR code and this address. So you can either copy this address and send it to the person that you're receiving it from, or you can just receive it through this QR code right here. It says that you should only send it to smart chain. Sending any other coins may result in permanent loss. So make sure to only send smart chain coins here. So guys, that's how you receive NFTs in Trust Wallet. This video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.